Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying the essentials. Flutter and Dart versions must match the project needs because mismatches break build steps. Once installed, enable Dart analysis and auto-formatting in your IDE to catch errors early. Then create a new project with Flutter, create my app, and open lib/main. Dart. This is where you begin. From here, replace the default stateless widget with a stateful widget when you need mutable state. That choice determines how Dart code organizes lifecycle and updates. You now integrate Dart with Flutter by writing clear async code. Prefer async/await and futures for network or file I/O because blocking operations freeze the UI. Once done, separate concerns, create models and services in Dart files and import them into widgets so UI code stays declarative. Make a single state approach, provider, riverpod, or block, and use Dart classes and streams to propagate changes. This reduces coupling and makes hot reload predictable, which speeds iteration. You finish by verifying correctness. Run Flutter Analyze and Flutter Test to catch Dart type issues and behavioral regressions. Next, build a release with Flutter Build App or Flutter Build iOS and inspect logs for runtime exceptions. Logging helps trace null safety or async lifecycle bugs. If something breaks, try a targeted fix. Run Flutter clean, Dart pubget, then rebuild. That clears caches and often resolves dependency or generated code mismatches. Make sure to rerun tests after.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.